Good day, everyone. I'm Olamay, and welcome to my channel. As you all can see, this box pretty much solves the mystery of why a few of us have received messed up boxes from UPS. It's not Dooney and Burke, so we can definitely clear that out as something that happened there. So it's definitely after it leaves the warehouse. And I know this for sure because this box did not come from Dooney and Burke. It came from Brahmin. So the culprit in this is definitely, and I'm gonna put, this is the culprit right here. UPS. Because this is terrible, y'all. And y'all, if you know Brahmin, you know that the boxes, the bags are really stiff. So let's just say a quick prayer that the contents don't look like the box. I might as well get scissors because the tape's not even on tight enough to use a box cutter. So this is terrible for this to be packaged. Or should I say delivered like this. So it's definitely UPS and not the store. So mystery solved, y'all. So I definitely took pictures of it to let them know. I don't know what they can do about it. Maybe if they can use stronger boxes or something like that won't dent up so easily. But this was not a fun sight to see when you've been waiting on your delivery and get this. So all right, let's see how it survived. That is dented pretty bad. So this is my receipt and card that's been all up. Oh, that scared me. I thought that was the purse net. Okay, so, and I am definitely going to tag the person that's to blame for this purchase in the description. This bag is a part of Drawstring July. And the person that's watching this, they probably already know, because I did let her know that she was to blame for this purchase because I had avoided this particular silhouette for a few months until she showed her beautiful saltwater print version of this bag. Oh, y'all, it feels, oh, let's see. Go ahead and get it over with. Rip the band-aid off. See if it survived this shipping box. It does not open easy. So it's like I have to open and inspect it at the same time. So, y'all, this is, it's kind of crooked, but I think this bag should have more flexibility versus the other one, which I guess is a good thing in this case. But this is the Marlowe. Look at that slant, y'all. Let me see if I can bring the camera up so you can see this bag leaning leaning for the line. It barely made it, but I'm pretty sure if I stuff it pretty good. And I think I saw on Facebook that you can use like a after you stuff it, maybe like use a towel, a warm towel or a blow dryer to try to reshape it. So I'm gonna have to try that technique. But this is a Marlowe, and the print, the name of the print, y'all, this lean is just throwing me off. This whole video is it's gonna irk my nerves. So hopefully after I open the drawstring, it's not leaning for the line like it's leaning now. And it's barely in the whole shot. Let's see. So y'all can see the top. Leaning for the line that way. But this is a Marlowe silhouette, and the name of it is Metamorphosis Melbourne and genuine leather. I did not pay this price, but that is the retail price for it. And this particular color, and I don't think I said the person's name that's to blame for this. Did I say Simply D? Just in case, so you can hear it. Simply D, you are to blame for this purchase. But this is the Metamorphosis print in the Marlowe. And this is a drawstring bag, a Brahmin drawstring bag. So in addition to the strap here that can be used as a top handle, it does have loops here to attach the shoulder strap. I can't believe they squished my bag, y'all. Whew. I am definitely going to send the store picture so that they can see what UPS did and that they need to use stronger boxes when packaging. But anyway, so it does have a key keeper or key leash that matches the exterior with the gold clip there. I can't think of the word for it. And then here's the shoulder strap to attach to it. And I didn't realize the charm was on the loop versus the outside. So I think, well, I guess it's probably hard to do, to loop the charm here, knowing that the drawstring has to move in and out. But I will go ahead and attach the straps. I can't believe UPS. Oh my goodness. And I don't know if this strap is adjustable or not. I think it is. It is. Okay, so this can come out and I can move it up. So once that's the opening there. Is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 openings I have as a choice to shorten the strap. And still use it as a shoulder bag. Carry it as a shoulder bag. So I have some work to do. I am going to call them and let them know how it was delivered to me. But the inside, it has a zipper on each side. Front side zipper along with the slip pocket made with the trim that matches the exterior. And then on the back side, it just has one long zipper. So 2 zippers and 1 slip pocket. And that's the registration card information inside. So in all, this is a pretty big drawstring bag. Very deep. This is my first Brahmin drawstring. So I am looking forward to see how it carries. It's not too heavy. It does have a little weight to it since it is leather. But it's not too heavy. So it's not too light, not too heavy. So I'll see how it carries once I actually pack it. And I was able to get the wallet to match for it. So I will go ahead and open it. How long is this video? Should I wait, y'all, and put it in another video? No. It shouldn't take that long. So this is the wallet to match. And this wallet silhouette is called the Addie. That's the retail price, not what I paid for it. So it does have 1, 2, 3, so 6 card slots on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that, 6 on this side. I guess ID could go there. And opening there, opening there. So it's a good size wallet to be able to put a lot in. And I thought that since they both had really good prices on them, that I should go ahead and get the wallet as well. Since the wallet is featured in this video, y'all, and it is considered an accessory, I'm gonna make another video, but I wanted to go ahead and say that we're almost done with Drawstring July. So August is coming up. So why not have Accessory August? It doesn't sound as catchy as Drawstring July, but I figured that that was a good month to be able to showcase our accessories and what we actually pair with our bag. So whether it's a scarf, a charm, a wallet, a cosmetic bag, whatever your accessories are, and it could be an added crossbody strap or added strap to your bag. Whatever your added accessories are, Accessory August is going to be the hashtag, and that's going to be a good time for everyone to showcase their accessories all month long. So I think that will be fun. We have a few accessory queens. The first one that comes to mind, I would probably say, is Mrs. P. Banks. Definitely has a lot of accessories. And let me see. I don't want to start naming names and forget people. But Mrs. P. Banks definitely stands out because when she showed all of her, I think it's Carringtons that she had in the tote and different colors. I had not seen that many accessories in one place before. So this should definitely be a fun hashtag, y'all. And then that way, again, you can show what you actually pair with your purses and bags and what you dress them up with. So Accessory August. We're almost done with Drawstring July. We do have a few more days left in the month. So I'm looking forward to Accessory August to see all the different accessories that everyone enjoys in addition to the main act, which is the bag. So thank you all for watching. I'm sorry I made this video a little bit longer than I wanted to. I had to get over the UPS situation and the denting of the bag, but we'll work with it. So I hope you all like this video. Again, this is the Brahmin Marlo in the Metamorphosis print and with the matching wallet, which is the Addie. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified as soon as I upload a video. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video, and I look forward to Accessory August. And we do have a few more days of Drawstring July, so more videos to come with drawstrings as well. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day. I did forget to mention, y'all, that this purse does not have feet. The Marlowe does not have feet. So this was definitely an exception for me because I am definitely prefer feet on my bags. But I did want to mention that because I didn't mention it in the last video. But that's it. Thanks again for watching.